This is Grace Anderson. I would like to introduce my new course, which is quite a short course, but extremely effective. It is called How to Get Over Your Ex Fast After a Breakup or a Divorce. This course is designed to help you stop weeping or stop feeling sorry for yourself. It will give you loads of strategies and tools to get you started on the process of getting over your ex. I have put it together to help people who have just gotten divorced or just broke up from their partners and are in serious pain, emotional pain, or emotional trauma, and are still suffering from the whole effect of the breakup. When you enroll on this course, you will have me coaching you throughout the course because I will show you strategies that you can use to get over the pain quite quickly. It is a very useful course because most people, after they've had a breakup or a divorce, often feel rejected. They feel like they have lost all hopes and they are in despair. So I will take you through the process of grieving so that you will know where you are at the moment. And after that, you can start the process of reclaiming your personality, if you like, or yourself from this woeful event that just occurred. Look at the details below and then click the enroll button so that you're taken straight to where you can make your payment and then get started on this life-changing course. Okay, so I do hope to see you inside the course. Thank you and God bless.